Perfect. Other side there. Perfect. Okay, put that right hand on your hip there. All right, now elbow push back into the hand hard as you can, hard as you can. There we go. Good. So can I have you take a breath in there for me and breathe out. All right. Next spot here, take a breath in for me and out. There we go. All right, one more breath in there and out. Perfect. Face up, please. And then back. Not as bad on this side. Good. Okay, spot here, spot here. Stretch up here. Okay, let that head just relax into my left hand there. Perfect. Okay, other side here. Perfect. Excellent. Sit on up here. Little tight there. Good. Does that pinch in the front of your hip at all? No? Good. You feel that stretch in the front of the right one? Good. Good. All right. Then can you feel the back of this one and the outside of the right one? Mm-hmm. Perfect. Good. Can I have you lay on your left side there for me? And just like that. There. Perfect. Other side there. Swap those arms out. There we go. Underneath. Perfect. Face up here for me. Good. Cross your arms tight. Okay, come on up and back. Good. All right.